Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So if for some reason you've got only the battery indicator and you'd like to have, for example, this kind of percentage inside the battery icon, all you have to do is to enter the settings here, then let's scroll down to find notifications and control center and tap on the status bar at the bottom, not the top, at the bottom. And as you can see here, we've got the battery indicator option and we've got three different options. Probably you've got this one. Currently I've got the option with percentage inside the battery icon, and we can also set it next to the battery icon. So as you can see, it is most visible option, I would say. And from now on, the percentage will be displayed next to the battery icon on the status bar. It's up to you which option you'd like to use. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.